welcome to our math class. In the previous class, we learned exercise 3.5. Okay, today I am teaching about exercise 3.6. In the exercise 3.6, total problems are in board problems. Okay, the first problem, see now. What should be added to 1600 to get 2000? What should be added to 1600 to get 2000? Understood that? 1600 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 2000 వస్తుందని అడుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. The total answer 2000 రావాలి. But how much added to 1600? 1600 కి మనం ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 2000 వస్తుంది. Understood? First of all, what we do? First of all, subtraction. Subtraction where to where? Subtract 1602 from 2000. What we get the answer? The answer added to 1600 after get the 2000. Understood? First of all, 1600 ని 2000 నుండి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ని 1600 కి యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి 2000 అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, now children? Okay? First of all, write solution. Subtract 1600 to 2000. Subtract 1600 from 2000. So now write 2000 subtract 16. Fine. What is the subtraction symbol? Minus. Okay, now subtract. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, understood? 0 minus 0 is the 0. Okay, the tens place also 0 minus 0 is the 0. The 100 place 0 minus 6. This is a possible? Not possible. The 6 is greater than to 0. 6 is greater than to 0. That's why not possible. So what we do? Take barrow. Where to where? Take barrow from 1000 place to 100 place. Okay. 10 plus 6 is a 6. Okay. Here, first of all 2000. But 1000 has gone to 100 place. How many thousands here? Only 1. So 2 became a 1. Okay. Then now subtract in the 100 place. 10 minus 6. How much 10 minus 6? Already I said in the previous classes. Backward counting. 10 minus here 6. So take 6 fingers backward. Here 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 10 minus 6 how much? 4. So now write under the 100 place. Okay? Let's go to the thousands place. Here see now 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1? 0. So the answer is 400. The difference is 400. Understood? Now what will get this one answer? Add to 1600. Add to 1600. After get the 2000. See. See Nana, this is the 400. Add to 1600. See, 0 plus 0 is the 0. 0 plus 0 is the 0. 6 plus 4. Here plus. So no part of counting. 6. Therefore 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 0. Here 1 plus 1 is the 2. See? Understood? So now 400 plus 1600 is the 2000. Okay? Understood that? 1600. 1600 to get 2000. Okay? Understood? Okay? First of all, 1600 subtract from 2000. What will get the answer? The answer add to 1600, we get the 2000. Okay? This is the first problem. Next, we go to the second problem. Say Nana, the sum of two numbers is 2894. If the one of them is 1750, find the other number. Here first of all given sum of two numbers. Two numbers 2894. Two numbers add చేస్తేనే 2894 ఉందండి. అందులో one of them అంటే అందులో నుండి ఒక నంబర్ 1750. Find the other number. ఇంకొక నంబర్ ఏది అని అడుగుతుంది. రెండు నంబర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తేనే ఇంత వచ్చింది మనకు 2894. అందులో నుండి ఒక నంబర్ ఇది, ఇంకొక నంబర్ ఏది అని. అండర్స్టాండ్? అర్థమైందా? రెండవ నంబర్ ఏది అని అడుగుతుంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 1750 ఫ్రమ్ 2894. ఈ నంబర్ నుండి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినట్టయితే వచ్చిన ఒక ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఆన్సరే నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్, అదర్ నంబర్. ఓకే, రైట్. సొల్యూషన్. The sum of two numbers is how much? 2894. If the one of them is అందులో ఒక నంబర్, one of the number is 1750. Now subtract. Understood that? The sum of two number is 2894. One of the number is 1750. Now subtract. Okay, 4 minus 0 is the 4. 9 minus 5 is the 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. The other number is the 1144. The solution is the other number is is 1144. See, other number is 1144. Understood? First of all, the sum of two number is 2894. The one number given. One of the number is 1750. Now find out the next number, other number. So subtraction here. The other number is 1144. Okay, understood? So third one problem. See, Mohan's monthly income is 8,000. 7 and his monthly expenditure is 4,690. How much does he have saved every month? Mohan monthly income is 8,007 rupees. But he spent the money how much? 4,690. How much he saved? And first of all, subtract 4,690 from 8,007. What will get the answer? The answer is that he saved monthly. Per monthly he saved that much. Okay? That is your homework. Okay? I explain next to fourth one problem. See, in the fourth problem, there are 7,339 books written in different languages in a bookshop. If 3,588 of them are written in English, how many books are there written in other languages? In a bookshop, totally how many books are there? Different languages books are there. How many totally? 7,339 books. 7,339 books in the different languages in their bookshop. Some books, 3,588 books are written in English. 3,588 books are written in English. How many books are there written in other languages? Understood, Nana? Total books 7,339 books ఏమో different languages లలో రాసి ఒక బుక్ షాప్ లో ఉన్నాయంట. అందులో నుండి 3,588 బుక్స్ ఏమో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో రాసి ఉన్నాయంట. ఇంకా మిగిలిన బుక్స్ అనే డిఫరెంట్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయని అడుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ సొల్యూషన్. ఓకే, టోటల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్. Total number of books. Total number of books. How many books there? 7,339. Total number of books 7,339. Number of books in English. Some books in English. Number of books in English. How many? 3,588. Remaining how many books there? So now subtract 3,588 from 7,339. ఫస్ట్ ఇవి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మిగిలిన బుక్స్ మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నౌ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 7,339. Now subtract these numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See Nana. 9 minus 8. How much 9 minus 8? Only 1. Here 3 minus 8. Is it possible? Not possible. This 8 is greater than to 3. So now take value from 100 plus to 10's plus. 10 plus 3 is 13. Here 3 become a 2. 13 minus 8. Here 8. So 8 fingers right? 13. Backward counting. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here 5. Here 2. 2 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. Okay? Is 5 is greater than to 2. So now take value from 1000 plus to 100 plus. 10 plus 2, 12. Here 7 become a 6. 12 minus 5. Here 12, here 5. So I take 5 fingers. backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So here 7. In the thousand place. 6 minus 3. 3. The other language books, how many? 3751. Now write number of other languages. Number of other languages. Number of books in other how many? 3750. Understood, Anna? In the English languages, how many? 3588. In the other languages, 3751. 3588 books are in English languages. Other languages 3751. Understood?